Hi everyone, my name is Bruna Matic, I'm a drummer and composer from Zagreb, Croatia, and welcome to my channel. I haven't posted in a while given the fact that I had to graduate from university, and also I was working on this really big project with the Croatian TV-Radio Jazz Orchestra, but now I'm back, even better, even stronger. I have a new camera, I have a decent audio finally, and it's time to make some new videos. So subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, because I'll be posting some music content, drum content, vlogs, and eventually even Q&As. You might be wondering, why am I speaking English all of a sudden, because all of my previous videos have always been in Croatian. Well, I'm looking to expand this channel, I want to post more often and better content. This project is very special to me and I really want this video and all of my future videos to reach a wider audience so we can create a community around this channel that is not specific to Croatia or the Balkan region. Some parts of this video and maybe some future vlogs are going to be done in Croatian, but I'll put the subtitles so you can understand. This is just footage from rehearsals, and of course we don't speak English in rehearsals. Now I would like to present to you my new and exciting project with the Croatian TV-Radio Jazz Orchestra called Noise.
It's vlog time.
Noise is a suite for jazz orchestra, around 70 minutes long, that consists of many different movements, and in sync with the orchestra playing the music, there's also a video being projected on the LED screen behind the orchestra that kind of serves as a visual representation of everything that you hear in the music. It's actually a film and it features 3 characters, and I'm also one of the characters that appears in the movie. And there's a storyline that you can follow from beginning until the end, which more closely serves to tell the story of this project. So I started thinking about what the story is going to be. I knew I wanted to kind of tell the story of the modern world that we live in. The world that we live in is very loud, and there's all kinds of information coming at us from all of our senses. Visual information, auditory information, tactile information, and there's all this noise. When I say noise in this sense, I mean literally unwanted sound, but in a more broader sense, unwanted information that we're also bombarded with from other senses. Lights, billboards, ads, sounds, construction, buses, trams, people. I mean, the whole world that we live in is incredibly loud and incredibly filled with information. Then there's of course social media, which we're participating in right now. But you open Facebook, you open Instagram, you open TikTok, there's all this information constantly coming at you. And in a world like that, something as simple as silence is maybe even intimidating. And of course, the information that we're consuming from our environment eventually finds its way into our minds, where the chatter continues. So that's sort of the theme of this project. I wanted to tell the story of the world that we live in, or maybe kind of put a mirror to it. The rehearsal started on the 6th of May. Miha, uvijek jedeš.
Ovo je na trika.
Ja, ali ja uvijek jedem u pauzu.
Uvijek. Kaj ti je šećer pao?
Ne, moram često jesti jer sam gladan.
We just started by reading all the music. Then the next day we had a rhythm section rehearsal. And then on Monday we came back with 2 section rehearsals. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pardon, ovo kad mijenjamo ove krompire, kad imamo mijenjamo tonove, šta, malo onda akcent damo tu, ili?
Samo reci ovu četvrtinku, nije nam jasno svima koja je. U 309, 10, 11, 320 takt na 2. Nema nikakvu oznaku, pa ne znamo, neki sviraju dugo, neki kratku.
Ni duga ni kratka.
Zna se kako se postoji. Da, pa.
Nije staccato, ali je i
Četvrtinka. Jedna obična Bulgaris.
Idemo svirati ono. 309, može.
And then on Tuesday, we came back with the whole band. We played the whole thing from beginning until the end. So this was the first time that I actually got to see the whole thing with the video screen and hear the electronics and the band. Vojkan, daj nam pokaži malo kaj radiš.
Evo malo ćemo puštati soundscape-ove na nekim dijelovima između stavaka vjerojatno i malo ćemo spojiti efekte, ove pedale tu na saks pa ćemo malo se pozabaviti s time da malo dobijemo taj svemirski zvuk.
We did the sound check.
Sad najbolji dečki.
Ovo je već opasno, evo to. After that, I had something to eat, and then it was showtime. The biggest thing for me is I don't really get nervous, but the most nerve-wracking moment is when we're all sitting on stage, waiting for the show to start. It's like this intense energy that you're just waiting and you don't know what's gonna happen. You're hoping everything goes well, but there's always like this chaos that could just come out to the surface at any point. It's exciting, but it's also terrifying. So you're just sitting there waiting for the green light. All of a sudden, Miron walks on stage and he's like, good to go. So I start the music and the intro starts playing. You see some cars, and all of a sudden I hear the guide track. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's a snare drum that comes in. Then the hi-hats, then the percussion. All of a sudden the bass comes in. And then the whole band. And we're off. go. One song rolls into the next, that one rolls into the next one, and I find myself really enjoying the music that we're playing. We're finally playing this in front of everybody, and I finally get to share this music with the audience, which is like the most rewarding part. It's actually kind of weird because I've been working on this project for 2 years, so for me, this is like the last stop of the whole process. The last stop is when we actually get to perform the music. But for the audience, it's like the first contact that they ever have with the music. And for me, it's like the last stop in the whole process of creating a musical project. So after the concert, my parents were there, my brother was there, one of my students was also there. He also came with his mom, and one of my friends was there, and actually it got good reviews. Everyone that saw it were very surprised. I was too. I was relieved, most of all, that everything went well, and I was so happy that I finally got to share this project with everyone else. Because that's sort of the point of art making anyway. If your art doesn't reach anyone, does it even exist? If the music is not being played, not being performed, is it even real? I really hope they put the whole concert on YouTube so you'll be able to hear it and see it. I'd really love that because this project is very special to me and I want to share it with as many people as I possibly can. So I want to thank everyone from the Croatian TV-Radio Jazz Orchestra and from the Croatian National Television, Miron Hauser, all the musicians that were involved in the making and the playing of this project, all the people who helped support the project, Melania, Davor, Ana Vujic, Ivana Kocelj, Ivana Pribić, Tvrtko Grgić, he was the director, Nikica Belamarić, Noa Maričić, everyone who helped make this project happen. Thank you. I also want to thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy this project. As soon as it's on YouTube, I will be able to share it with you, so make sure you follow me on Instagram and on Facebook because I'll notify you when they post the video to this project so you'll be able to see it. And also, if you want, subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be posting more music content, drum-related content, vlogs. I mean, hopefully some gigs are coming up soon, so I'll be able to film those and make them into vlogs. So subscribe if you want to see more of that, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!